We are here at K-Show launching the new OPTIMA Flexo press. We run 2 very demanding shows every single day, and we are addressing 3 challenges that every Flexo printer knows. The challenge number 1 is bouncing designs.
Speed is not as limiting factor as the design itself, meaning not every design you may run to full speed. Such a design with printed area and non-printed area during the rotation process generates vibrations. Maybe you would be able to hear it. And what is important that these vibrations are not projected into the printing itself. Because if they were, there would be a bouncing gap, non-printed design or change in density. At this time, we print 350 meters per minute, and we made it difficult for us. Look at this, 260 millimeters repeat length. It's extremely difficult to print a bouncing design like this without any change of print quality or impression. Let us cut the sample. Thank you, George. So again, a design that generates bouncing is a design like this, which has printed area and non-printed area. And important is that the print is stable all across the image. There is no change in impression or densities.
The second challenge we address during the show is short runs. As the jobs are getting shorter and shorter, it is extremely important to change from one job to another as quickly as possible with minimum waste. You are using ARUN system, fully automatic mode. On 0 meters, we set register and impression. We will use ARUN technology to set the job, so we will perform register and impression setting on 0 meters. And the idea is to measure register and impression on a plate mounting process, and later on to use the press time efficiently. The second job is an 8-color job, so we need to proceed for all sleeves, scanning the chip. Pressurized air automatically opens. We insert the sleeve. So the press knows how to set register impression already. So that was quick, but the challenge comes now. What do we do with register and impression? Well, we will do it in automatic mode, as I promised, and it will be myself doing register and impression setting. Now we see that all of the active printing decks, 1 all the way till 8, are moving into the printing position. So I initialize ARUN, I start the process, and what I will do, I will play video to you, because we don't have to do anything. The press is doing job for me. I'm setting register and impression. So the ARUN is now being finished for the procedure. We see that the new values are being rewritten for the impression and register. And it's done. So let's see how I did the job. The register and the setting. You will evaluate me, David. Please start printing. And let's see the result of the setting. We made it challenging. The job which we are printing is gravure to flexo conversion. The gradient goes all the way down to 0. So it's very difficult for press stability and as well as for press setting. And this is the accuracy of ARUN. Fully automatic process, 0 meters of waste, fine register. So David, let us take a sample. And let's see how successful we were to set register and impression using ARUN. Thank you. We leave both designs here for your inspection. As I said, gravure to flexo conversion, a design that is really critical in terms of impression setting and the press stability. So 3 challenges we addressed: bouncing, short run efficiency, and sustainability. I hope that this reveals that OPTIMA is the press for the future, 15 to 20 jobs a day. just as in Sigma Quest. I thank you for your attention, enjoy the time at K-Show, and please come back for the next show, which is tomorrow at 12 o'clock.
The K-Show has been a challenge, but with Optima, Short Run Flexo, we have beaten it.